The last phone I repaired ended up with a white screen. Now this one has a green screen.
Whoa, this time it's an iPhone 14 Pro Max. Did these two phones take a bath together?
Yeah, it got wet while taking a shower, and then this happened.
You're really something. Let me open it up and show you.
Go ahead.
Let's take a look.
Looks like phones can catch diseases from each other too.
Unbelievable. The last one has been working perfectly though.
Yes, it's been working great.
Let me take this one apart first and see if I can repair it using the original screen.
Sounds good.
The screen bracket adhesive has already come loose. This phone must get really hot quite often.
Yeah, it overheats a lot.
Alright, let's try repairing it while keeping your original display.
Hi boss, how's the repair going?
The water damage is actually pretty serious.
What are you doing now?
Cleaning out the corrosion.
What are you using to clean it?
Some bath water. Take a look. Your phone is fixed now.
So you can repair both white screen and green screen issues?
That's right.
Next time I'll come back to you guys again.
Absolutely, no problem. This repair also comes with a 3-month warranty.
That's awesome.